If your PC is hitting the blue screen of death, here's everything that fixes it. Drivers, system files, your disk, and memory. One of these will stop it. The blue screen gives you a clue. Before anything else, find the stop code. It's the text in all caps on the crash screen, like driver underscore IRQL or memory underscore management or critical underscore process underscore died. If it flashed too fast to read, press Windows X or right click the Start menu, click Event Viewer. On the left, expand Windows Logs. Look for the red error entries. Double click the most recent one. That name is your stop code. Write it down. If it has driver in it, start at chapter 2. If it has memory, jump down to chapter 5. Otherwise, go in order. One of these will be it. That's your starting point. Next, drivers, which are the most common cause by far. Bad drivers cause more blue screens than anything else, especially after a Windows update. Right-click the Start button, click Device Manager. Look for anything with a yellow warning triangle. That's your culprit. If you see something, right-click it and click Update Driver. Then search automatically. If nothing installs, right-click again, Properties, Driver tab, click Rollback Driver. No yellow triangles, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU. It'll say something like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and check Rollback Driver. A bad graphics driver is one of the top causes. Restart. See if it's stable. Try it now. If the crashing stops, you're done. If not, keep going. Drivers are clear. Next, corrupted Windows files, and there's a fix that patches them automatically. Corrupted system files can crash Windows with no warning. This scan finds and repairs them. Press Windows S or select the search. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Click Run as Administrator. Hit Yes. Type exactly SFC space / SCANNOW and press Enter. This takes around 10 minutes. Leave it alone. When it finishes, you'll see either no integrity violations found or found corrupt files and repaired them. Either result, restart after. If it says it couldn't repair everything, type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth to enter. That pulls fresh files from Windows updates and tries again. Let it finish, then restart. If this fixed it, drop a comment saying fixed. It helps everyone searching the same thing know what worked. System files are handled. Next, your disk. This one's quiet and most people skip it. A drive with bad sectors causes random crashes that look like they could be anything. This scan catches it. Same command prompt window, run as administrator, type chkdsk space C : space /F space /R and press enter. It'll say it can't run while Windows is open and ask to schedule it on next restart. Type Y, hit enter, then restart. The scan runs before Windows loads. It'll take 20 to 30 minutes. Don't touch anything. When it's done, Windows boots normally. If it found and fixed errors, that was your problem. Restart yours. I'll be here when it comes back. Disk is done. Last one, memory, which causes the most unpredictable crashes of all. Faulty RAM produces blue screens with no pattern. Random crashes, no consistent stop code. This rules it out. Press Windows + R, type mdsched.exe, hit enter, click Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC restarts into the memory test. You'll see a progress bar. Let it run completely. It takes 10 to 20 minutes. When Windows comes back, press Windows + S, type Event Viewer, open it, expand Windows Logs. When Windows comes back, press Windows + S, type Event Viewer, open it, expand Windows Logs, click System, and find the entry with source Memory Diagnostics result. Double-click it. If it says no errors detected, your RAM is fine. If it found errors, your RAM is failing and needs to be replaced or reseated. Work through those in order, and the Windows blue screen of death should stop completely. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still crashing, tell me the stop code you're seeing and I'll point you at the right fix.